Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you few off-page optimization techniques where you can perform to get a quality backlinks to your site. Those are classified submissions, article submissions, and event submission. So in this video, I will show you in detail how we can search the websites and how we can perform these activities. So now let's get started. So now we are going to see classified submissions and article submissions and event submissions. So earlier we have learned the forum submissions, Web 2.0's directories, guest posting and all. So now these three also are off-page optimization techniques where you can perform to get a quality backlinks. So now let's see first one, classified submissions. So classified submissions means simply we call them as a classified ads also or ads. So now if you want to push an advertisement, so normally we will be doing with the help of Google Ads so that it is a budget based platform. We have to put some money. So whereas classified submission ads means we will be using some classified ads websites so that we can post our ad for free so that people can view. So by this you will be getting some leads. Okay. So I can't say directly a backlink for your website, so you can get some leads, like you can get some phone calls, you can get some messages to your email. So that is what simply posting your ads, like I can say quicker. So have you ever noticed the quicker ads? So that kind of submissions we are going to see now. Let's see how we can do these classified submissions. Okay, so here in this directory submission sites list only, I have mentioned a few classified submission sites. Let me go with freeadstime.org, wallclassifieds.com, classifiedfactors.com. You can see. So let me just go through the websites. Wallclassifieds.com. So here you can see a publish your ad. Here you can see publish your ad for free. So here you can see post an ad. Okay, let us perform in two websites. Let's go with this now. Publish your ad. Category. Select a category. Items, vehicles, learning, real estate services, pets, fitness, jobs. So learning. So again, I need to select subcategory. Computer classes, secondary, online classes. Okay, continue. So listing, title, and description. You have to give a title and description. Okay. So write some description here. Continue. Listing address. So here you need to mention the address. Listing price. So now as it is an ad, right? So ad means simply it is just for service oriented business or else product based business. Why? Because if it is a kind of blogging website, so we are not going to sell anything, right? So as it can be like a service oriented only, we can do something here. So that's the reason again classified ads will be most useful for a service based websites or product based websites, so that we will be having something to sell. Well, if it is a service means I will be having some price for that services. If it is a product means I will be having some price for product. But if it is a blogging website, so I don't have anything to sell and I don't have anything kind of price, right? So that's the reason when if it is a service oriented or product, then choose this classified ads. So price now. What is the price? Okay. Choose the currency, continue. Contact info. So this is how you will be getting the leads and all. Free ad and premium ad. Which one should I choose? Mhm. So free ad and premium ad. So initially we know already we can perform these techniques in three ways. So here two options are available for us, premium and then free ad. I'll go with the free one. Select your ad region. Okay. Continue. Publish a listing. So if you have any images for your ad, you can just upload that images. No, let me try to download one image. You can upload up to 4 pictures per listing. So they have mentioned the size also. Okay, fine. You're agreeing to our terms and privacy policy by publishing this ad. I'm not robot. Continue. Your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. If you're not registered user, you can edit it from the link we have just sent you. So double tap. So here, they will be taking some time to review your ad. Finally, they will publish your ad. So it just take a 1 to 2 business days. That's it. So you will be getting a notification to your email. Okay. So this is how we have to use this classified submissions. So am I giving any website URL here? Yes. Am I giving any website URL? Did I give? No, right? So I didn't give any URLs here. So classified submissions is all about posting your ads, but not for getting a backlinks. Of course, yes. So some websites will be asking a website URL also, but here this website didn't ask any website URL. Depends on the website again. So if a website asks you any website URL, directly you will be getting a backlinks. Otherwise, you will be getting a links. So this is also one way where, so whatever you do, it is to get some leads, it is to generate some business, right? Yes, of course, I'm trying to use different alternative ways to generate my business. So I'm trying to get a backing so that I can improve the ranking, so that I can make my website on top. So people will visit my website, right? So this is how I am going to do this Cascade submission, right? The next thing is article submissions. So article submissions means before doing this submission, you have to get ready with an article. Okay. So make sure that you have a very lengthy article so that you can submit. So wherever you go, if it is a kind of classified submission, I'm posting my ad. If it is a Web 2.0, I'm trying to write some content. Now, if it is an article submission, I am trying to submit an article in article submission sites so that somewhere in the article I can give a link back to my website. So I will be getting a quality backlinks. Now let's see how we can do these article submissions.
Ma'am, article and blog are same thing, na?
Yes, yes, but here some website will be asking you to choose a file. Some websites will be asking you to write a blog. If they are asking you to choose a file, so that means you should get ready with an article that is storing somewhere in a file, and either it can be Notepad or Word document.
Okay.
So I'll search with article submissions. Okay, so here this is the blog. So what is article submission sites? Importance of doing these article submission sites. So is an article github.com, goarticle.info, storyfy.com. So let us go with one of the articles. So with the Quora also we can write articles. Oh, Storyfy update. Storyfy is no longer on. Okay. So article based, submit your top articles for maximum exposure and drive traffic to your website. So let me submit author name, email address, article title. So on which topic you want to write an article. Article category, you need to select the category, art and entertainment, books, business, marketing and advertising, travels, training. Do we have anything like training here? Fashion, style, product reviews. Careers. I'll choose this search engine optimization. So article body. So here you need to paste, copy and paste your article here. Okay. So here I tried having some content over here. The next resource include a short bio about yourself. You may include your email and or website address information. Maximum 2 URLs you can use. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Then challenge question 5 minus 3. Notify me when a user comment is posted for this article. I accept and agree to article this. So if you wants to get a notification when someone comments to your article, then you can just choose it. Okay. See, everything is fine. So order name, email address, article. Continue. Review. Please review your article submission for completeness. Top 50 tools for optimizing. Computers and technology, search engine optimization is my category. So people can view, and these are the links here. Okay, so they can visit my website. Okay, so submit. The article has been submitted, listed below or your submitted article over the last 90 days. Okay, this is my article that I have submitted in this website. So they will be taking some time to review your article. Okay, you will be getting a one verification mail. Just go and accept that verification mail. That's it. Please check your email sent to the nature for further instructions. Okay, so you just need to accept the link here so that you can redirect to article biz again. Then you can start viewing your article and you can edit anytime. You can write few more articles. This is how the same way like a Web 2.0. So whereas Web 2.0, so there I will be writing a complete, we can create the websites with the help of themes and all. Whereas this articles means I'm just submitting an article. That's it. So before you are doing this article submissions, please get ready with an article. If you're not that good at content, so tell your tell your business person or else tell your team leader to recruit a one content writer, or else if you are starting any business, any startup, so you should recruit a one content writer definitely. Why? Because so everything, whatever the submission you do, content plays a vital role. Content is a king in digital marketing. So yes, of course, every time, wherever, whatever the submission you do, so writing a unique content will be like a difficult one. So at that time, you try to choose, take a help of this content writer. So ask him to write a content on this topic so that you can simply copy and paste that content over here. In such a way, you have to take a help of a content writer and do this off-page optimization. Again, if you go and perform the same content in all optimization techniques, and if you do hundreds of backlinks per day, also there is no use. Why? Because it will be like a spam. So genuinely, if you can do 10 backlinks daily, that's enough. So what is the point if you're doing 100 spammy backlinks? No use, right? So this is also one point you have to remember. So whenever you do, you have to write a genuine content. That means without duplication content. Okay, unique. It has to be unique. Right. So the next thing is event submissions. Again, it is also same like a classifieds, but whereas event submissions is used by a business or else a website who will be having some frequent events. Now let's say photography events. So we will be having some events for a photography kinds of website, some wedding photography kinds of websites, and I can say handloom textiles kind of websites. So they those kind of website will be having some events day to day. So at that time, if you can just go with this event submission sites, and if you insert your event over there so that people can view your event and they can reach out your website and then purchase the tickets for your event. This is also happens. So again, do remember it is a website, it is a submission suitable for event kinds of website. Now let me just show you how we can do this event submission sites. Top 10 event submission sites list. 50 plus, let's see. Converse.com. So do we know? So do you know, guys, we can post event on Facebook? Hmm? That's the reason they are showing the Facebook also. So we can post the events on Facebook as well. Let me choose this eventful.com. What happened? This sign can't be reached. Okay. This is a Los Angeles dot event. This is not anyhow in our country. So let us eventbrite. So if you have any online events, that is fine. So can you see? So here also I have a option like a create event. Let me try to create. Sign up or login. What's your level of experience hosting events? So new, beginner, intermediate, expert. If you want, you can just go with it, or else let us skip as of now. Welcome. Let's create an event. Okay. So event title, demo online. Okay. Organizer type, course, training or workshop, meeting, party, screening, tour, tournament. So course training, category, business, professional, charities, family, education. Mhm. Which one? Let me go with the business and professional. Subcategory, career, design, educators, environment, finance, investment, sales and marketing. Okay. So tags, improve discoverability of your event by adding tags. So it is same like a secondary keywords. Okay. Digital marketing, digital marketing training, digital marketing class, digital marketing. Okay. So here I have choose the three tags. Location, help people, online event. Okay. So if it is a venue, so just mention the location. Okay. Or else not yet decided, then you have to choose this to be announced. So now ours is a online, right? I'll be choosing this online. Single event. Single event happens once and can last multiple days. So event starts at, so what's the date today? It's a 14th, right? And today is August. Sunday 16th and ends Sunday 16th only. Starting this. Okay. Save and cut down. So can you see now what all the things again? I just gave the title of my event and organizer. So depends on the website. They will be asking few queries. You just need to fill all those things. So save and continue. That's it. So if you have any images, you can just drop the images. Main event image. Then here comes the description. Write some short description about this event. Okay. If you want, you can still add a few more text and add image, add a video if you want. Okay, I'll go with this summary. That's fine. Save and continue. Online event, live video content. Okay. So if you want, you can just connect to the Zoom also. So I'll just skip it. So if you so that you can create a tickets also. So event is all about creating a ticket so that people can purchase the tickets. As of now, not required. I'll go with the same. So it is asking it's compulsory, general admission. So now here I choose the free one, name. Okay. So as it is a free starting date and end date, sales and save. All right. Okay, this is your ticket. So that you can see how many people have purchased your ticket as it is a free, right? So many people will purchase it. Okay. So this is how we are going to create the events. So mm, next. So this is the title of my event and some description and price of the ticket and quantity. Quantity means so how many people can attend the event. So maximum is like a 50. Privacy setting. So obviously it has to be a public. So if you want to preview, you can just preview.